Imagine a world where your 12-year-old can legally leave home without your permission. This isn't a dystopian future, it's now the law in California. This shocking reality stems from a recent law signed by Governor Newsom, Assembly Bill 957. It's an unprecedented move where the state can now determine parental custody rights based not only on the child's welfare, but also on whether a parent affirms their child's gender identity. Seems unbelievable, right? But it's true. This is the reality for parents in California right now. Now, you may have already made up your mind about this, but for the sake of information sharing, let's examine both perspectives. Consider the possible benefits of this law. One could argue that it's designed to protect children who might find themselves in abusive or unsafe households. In situations where questioning one's gender identity is not a tolerated practice, this law could potentially protect a child from physical and/or emotional harm. Imagine a child feeling trapped, confused, and misunderstood in their own home. Now picture a law that could offer them an escape, a chance to find a safer environment where they are allowed to express their emotions. This law could provide that safety net. Moreover, this law could also serve as a catalyst for conversation, encouraging families to engage in open and honest dialogues about gender identity. It could push parents to educate themselves and understand their child's experiences better, promoting acceptance and understanding within the family unit. The law could also potentially act as a deterrent, discouraging parents from implementing abusive or harmful practices in an attempt to correct their child's gender identity. The fear of losing custody could motivate parents to take a more discussion-based approach to handling the situation, fostering a more supportive environment for their child. While there appear to be potential benefits, it's also important to consider the potential negative impact of this new law. Indeed, while the law aims to empower children and protect their rights, it could also lead to unintended consequences. One such potential drawback is the strain it might put on family relationships. Family is a bedrock of society, and this law could potentially lead to increased family estrangements. Imagine a 12-year-old deciding to leave home without parental permission. The emotional toll on both the child and the parents could be enormous, not to mention the potential dangers a young child could face on their own. It's a delicate balance between granting independence and ensuring safety. Furthermore, this law might unintentionally undermine parental authority. Parents play a crucial role in guiding their children's development. They provide valuable life lessons, moral guidance, and emotional support. With this new law, parents might feel their role is being diminished or disregarded, which could lead to feelings of resentment and confusion. The law also raises concerns about the court's role in determining parental custody. While it's important to address a child's gender identity confusion, it's worth questioning whether a court of law is the best place to make such personal and nuanced decisions. The court's role is traditionally to apply the law, not to navigate the complexities of gender identity. The potential for bias or misunderstanding is high, and the stakes are even higher. What if the parent genuinely loves their child and wants the best for them but struggles with understanding their child's gender identity? Does that make them unfit to be a parent? It's a tough question with no clear-cut answers. In addition, there's the potential for this law to be misused. What safeguards are in place to ensure that this law is not exploited by those with malicious intent? How can we ensure that the law protects the children it's supposed to help without causing more harm than good? It's a complex issue with no easy answers, but one thing is clear: this law is changing the face of parenting in California. Now we've given you some food for thought. It's time to hear from you. That's right, folks. We've explored the shocking revelation, considered the potential pros, and deliberated on the potential cons. Now it's your turn to step up to the podium. We'd love to hear your thoughts about this new California law. Whether you're for it, against it, or somewhere in between, your opinion is welcomed. We encourage you to share your perspective in the comments section below. Keep in mind, this is a platform for open discussion, so let's keep the conversation respectful and constructive. We know this topic can evoke strong sentiments, but remember, every viewpoint is important, and every voice contributes to the broader narrative, so don't hold back. Express your thoughts, engage with others, and let's explore the complexities of this issue together. Remember, your voice matters, so share your opinion and engage in the conversation.